So let's go back down to the Cape real quick because, Tim, I'm hearing from the range they've got the green light for this launch. This is a crewed mission, Falcon 9 SpaceX launch. It's the Dragon CRS payload here. They're taking food and supplies and equipment up to the crew on the space station. So they got a little capsule that's going to come out of this, and it'll dock with the space station, and they'll, which is kind of cool because sometimes you can see that if the space station's flying overhead, you'll actually see both the Dragon capsule and the space station kind of chasing each other. It looks kind of cool, but we got the countdown. It looks like it's still there. Got to give a huge shout out to SpaceX. They do a great job showing the video of these. I mean, the views you get of these launches are insane now.
They're holding.
Oh, there's a hold.
Auto sequence has been aborted.
Should have known.
And there you heard it. Aborted is not the word that you want to hear.
Yeah.
Live television. So
Well,
that's just the red light.
Yeah, my guess that's a weather hold. And we were looking, James and I were looking at this. This isn't like a launch window. It's like a launch time for this mission. So it's not like they can delay much. It'll probably be postponed to another time. So, boy, that was close. 28 seconds out.
Yeah, they took it right down to the wire.
They're almost in the sky.
Yeah, but that's the way SpaceX is. I've seen them launch, like, wait to the last second, and there's a storm north. It moves just far enough away. But when we look at the radar and satellite down there, you've got both the cumulus cloud rule, the anvil rule. We've got lightning in the air. It's just, I don't know. If I was a weather officer, I'd be super nervous launching through that right now because the trajectory, by the way, is northeast. So they'd be going through those showers and thunderstorms offshore, not southeast. And that just looks like a bad sign for lightning strikes to me. And so this is probably going to get delayed for another day, it looks like.
So, Brad, you might know the answer to this. So when they're doing missions down there, obviously they have specific weather criteria.
Yeah.
Are the weather people or the weather officers or the weather advisors, are they the same whether it's a NASA launch or a SpaceX launch, or are they different people for different operations?
I believe it's the same. They use the same weather squadron there at Cape Canaveral. So they use them for everybody there. So
Gotcha.
They're the most versed, but they always have to get the criteria from each vendor. So I'm sure SpaceX has different criteria than NASA, let's say. So, but I think the rules are generally the same, especially with the launch trajectories, and they're usually pretty safe. Like I said, a crewed mission, they might take it down to the line like this, but I mean, they wouldn't do this down to the line. But a cargo mission, they tend to wait to the last minute because they can. There's not as many safety concerns with cargo, but it is expensive. You don't want to destroy a rocket, and especially food and supplies, because that means they got to send another one up there, and that's bad news for the astronauts on the space station.
Yeah, well, you can see it clearly on the satellite. You don't want those big bubbling clouds. And,
yes.
It's kind of one of those clues, like if you're ever on a beach trip, you're ever camping, you're ever hiking, anything like that. If you don't have one of these and you don't have your WFMI app, your WCNC app, what are you going to do?